Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing this checkered and like flame eyeshadow look. And just with a nude lip and just kind of like a checkered like eye and like flame. If you guys want to see how to do this look, just keep on watching. So first off, I'm going to go in with my Benefit Professional to prime my face. I'm going to be using this all over my face. And I will be right back when I have finished doing that. So for foundation today, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations, as you know, if you've been watching my channel for a while. I really recommend this foundation because it's really cheap and affordable, and it's just a very light, a very heavy, not heavy, but like full coverage foundation. And it's a really cheap foundation. It's one of the best foundations I've tried. And I just like how it looks on my skin. The only bad thing about it is I think that the shade range is not that big. So to set my face today, I'm going to go in with my Loreal Infallible Pro Glow like pressed powder compact thing. And I'm just going to swirl it around and put it on my whole face. If you've been watching my channel for a while, this is one of my favorite powders. I don't really change up my products, but next video is going to be a full face of a drugstore brand, so yeah. So for concealer today, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Light Ivory. And I'm just going to put this in all the places you put concealer. So to set my concealer today, I'm going to go in with my Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. I picked this up on Amazon. I have a review on my channel if you guys want to know how this works. But I'm obviously using it, so it works pretty good. I'm just going to put a little into the top and put it in all the places I put concealer. So to bronze up my face today, I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is one of my favorite bronzers. I'm just going to go like into my cheekbones and on my forehead and like all the places that you usually put bronzer, just like give my face some color. And for my contour today, I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. And I'm going to go in with the middle shade. I'm just going to lightly contour my cheeks a little. So to start my eye today, I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D Tattoo Ink Liner. And I'm going to do what I'm going to do first, and then I will come right back and show you what I did and explain it. Okay, so basically what I did is I went around my whole eye with the liner, and I just kind of drew like this cat eye sort of thing. I just started in the middle, and I like went up, and I like kind of made like a swirl right there, if that makes any sense, but like you get what I'm saying. So basically what I did is I made a checkered pattern on my eye. So I did 6 lines down and 2 lines across. You can do any kind of like line thing you want to do, but that's just what I did. And I just like went in with my liner and just like went down and then across. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Tattoo Ink Liner and my NYX Eye and Eyebrow Pencil and just white. And I'm going to fill in the boxes of like the checkered like eye with like the appropriate color, like a checkered pattern. So I finished doing both eyes with the checkered look. And since I kind of want to add like flames to this look, I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm going to go in with this red shade right here. I'm just going to take... I'll be right back when I find the brush. So I went and finished up with the eye look. And now I'm going to go in with a mascara. I think I'm going to go in with the Bad Gal Bang mascara. I have to go get it. I will be right back when I go and find it. So for mascara today, I'm going to go in with the Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Before I put on lashes, I'm just going to put like one coat of it on and I'll be right back. So I finished up with my eyes, and now I'm going to do my brows, and then I'm going to go in with my highlight. So I finished up with my eyes, and now I'm going to do my brows, and then I'm going to go in with my highlight. So before I put on my highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Mario Badescu Purple Spray. And I'm going to go get a fan brush real quick and I'll be right back. So I spritzed my face with the Mario Badescu Purple Spray, and I'm just going to go in with the Golden Flower Crown by Wet n Wild. It's one of their new shades, I'm pretty sure. And I'm just going to take it on a Wet n Wild fan brush and spritz it a little. And just put it where you would normally put highlighter. And I'll be right back when I finish doing that. So for the final step, I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Mannequin Liquid Lipstick. It's one of my favorite nudes. And I'm just going to put it on. And to finish this look off, I'm going to go in with the Glam Glow Glow Setter Setting Spray. If you guys want more videos like this, just comment down below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see.